Hey guys, the Colend Airdrop has just launched a few hours ago on the Satoshi app, and today I'll be showing you how to join. The first thing to do if you're not already using the Satoshi app is to sign up and install the Satoshi app using the link in the description. So once you open the Satoshi app, you need to complete your verification. You'll check out my earlier Satoshi video on how to set up your Satoshi app, including all the tips and tricks for getting your high hash rate using your hash cards and your gift cards so that you can earn as much tokens as possible. So once your Satoshi app is set up, the next thing to do is to switch to your project tab by tapping on project, and here you will see the Colend Airdrop. So tap on the Colend card and tap on participate in airdrop. So now I have joined the airdrop. Tap on close. You will see that I'm now earning Colend here. So every hour you can claim Colend tokens. If you miss claiming for 25 hours, your airdrop will be suspended and you need to come back to the Satoshi app and claim again before you can start receiving Colend tokens. Remember to check out my comprehensive guide on the Satoshi app on how to make the most of every airdrop on the app. This Colend airdrop is only for a month. It ends on June 30th, so make sure to claim as much tokens as possible. Check out the description for gift cards to use to increase your hash rate by 50k so you can earn more Colend tokens per hour. If this video has helped you, like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any issues, ask for help in my Telegram group. The link to the group is in the description. Join my Telegram channel for more Colend updates, crypto airdrops, tips, tutorials, alphas, and earning opportunities. Also check out the link in the description for some of the hottest Telegram airdrops. Sign up on any of them you haven't started already and start claiming your airdrops every day. So keep claiming your Colend tokens daily. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.